niabot na ang package nga inyong gihatag din sa amo. So, karon mag-unbox kita sa buy box. Garbage bag. Oh. Nagkakit sa kalo. Oh! Nice. Nice sandal. Oh! Nagkan kayo ang sandal. Oh my God, alangan. Okay, butang sa ato na dira. And then, nagkit siya mga ikubag. And, what is it? Okay, nag-review. Oh, ano na iban? Oh, sorry. Sorry. No, I love it. Sapatos. Yan na lang siya i-try. Okay, guys, is it a t-shirt? Let's open this one. Ito yung mga ball pen, the charger, and the face mask. Okay. What is this? Is it vitamins? Okay, you know, I love bugs so much. Ay, perfect. Perfect. Oh my God. Oh, another sapatos. And then, kukwa. Gatanod. Oh my God, what is this? What is this? I've never seen it. Pero Sugar.
Watery.
Oh, sugar? Okay, okay. Here's another spaghetti. Wow, slippers. That's mine, guys. That's mine. Mine. Oh, dagan kay spaghetti. Gamit naman niya siya sa Pasko and sa New Year. Okay. Here's bag. Oh, bag. Another bag.
Yep.
Oh! Oh! Pizza.
Wait.
Wow!
It's a mayonnaise bag.
Mayonnaise. Wow! Guys, so naa siya TV. Na ay TV padala. And then, I don't know kung okay pa ba. Oh, na ay frame. Okay, thank you so much for this. And then, so guys, mga fruit na lang na doon. What is this? Chocolate.
Drop the jump.
Happy birthday. Okay, kaya naanap ko. Laki na lang siya. Dari mga drawing, mga coloring book na siya. Oh, wallet! Ay, wallet. Tapos mga $1. Hala, tote bag. I like this. Tote bag. And then, asya mga tote diri guys. So,
Timay ko yung doon.
contribute mo.
Ang amount dito sa Pilipinas is 15 pesos.
Chocolate.
Amount dito sa $1 sa mga
And then, ano siya guys, mga fruit, fruit. Mga sinina na yung naadiri guys, mga sinina lang yung nabiling guys sa ilalim. So, daghan mo kaayo ang daghan kayo kapala guys. So, thank you so much nila may pinulamin Lisa sa Balikbayan ba. Here the sausage. Sausage for the ulam-ulam everyday. And this is a plastic bag.
Oh, cookie milk.
Cookie milk.
Kape.
For my Lola Vicky. And what is this? And here the toothbrush. Toothpick. Okay. And what is that?
Oh, kutsara.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, Kaaju.
Thank you kay Lola Mayot and Lola Melissa. You know I love peanut butter. So yummy. Yeah. Palaman siya sa pan. And then, here the ganun. Tapos yung mga baso guys. Wait lang. This is mga clothes and underwear. So many underwear here. This is, oh, I like that. No, this is for my Lola. The Lola Becky.
What?
Gloves. Gloves? Okay, may gloves. So, makalat na here.
Na may cookie milk, napoy kape.
Wow, perfect. Tapos na na po yung sugar.
Taster's choice.
Luwag. Ihalo-halo. For the mathematics and luwag. This is a chocolate. Your abilities. Wow, coloring book. Oh my god, perfect for me. Here's mga mug. Yes, mga mug siya. Pang cocktail.